Hi dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Confident Lips. Feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more detailed videos. Before I get into this video, I must say that I am really thankful for all of my wonderful WhatsApp contacts who shared the post on the sale that I was having at that time. I want to say that I really do appreciate it. And after this little video here, I'll just leave a screenshot of a few people who posted it. I am again thankful. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Firstly, I'm going to start off with some blister gel from CKV Trading, and this is the lip gloss base. So I evenly distributed it into two different cups. The reasons why there were two cups is because one will be filled with the red glitter while the other green glitter. Secondly, I added some coconut oil, and the reason why there was only coconut oil is because this isn't my first video making these Christmas themed glosses, and sadly, while making the video, the olive oil was finished, so the only oil that I used in this video was coconut oil. I added more lip gloss base because this consistency was very thin. So note to yourself, if the consistency is very thin, you add more lip gloss base. If the consistency is very thick, you add more oil. So I'm just doing the consistency check right now. Onto the other cup. Mix. The consistency here is very thick, and I have absolutely no idea why I added more lip gloss base. Instead, I was supposed to add more oil, but I guess reality did a check on me and I realized the problem, and of course I added more oil. Mix. Consistency check. Mix. Okay, then we are on to the flavoring. I must say that these flavoring do give off a color. They do. So for the red gloss, since it's already going to be red, I decided to use the flavoring pomegranate. So you would see that the color definitely changed, and this wasn't going to be a problem because this would be filled with red glitter anyway, so it kind of came into place. See, the color changed. And for the green gloss, I decided to use the flavoring green apple. So I'm just going to drop a few drops of the flavoring into the, I was going to say bowl, but into the cup. And I'm mixing. You do have to do a lot of mixing, so ensure that your hands aren't tired, you know? Consistency check. Mix. Then I should say that cosmetic glitter was used, okay? You cannot use craft glitter on your lips because it would be a disaster. The only reason the glitter is in the craft container is because I transferred it due to the amount of glitter that could fit into the craft glitter package, you know, because the packaging that I had for the cosmetic glitter was very small and it could have hardly held anything, so I just threw away the craft glitter and filled it up with the cosmetic glitter. So I'm not using craft glitter. I just want that to be known. Consistency check. I'm just showing you guys the colors. Boom. On to the very interesting part, and you guys might be wondering, what am I doing? And you would understand everything. I swear you would understand when I drop the other video. The other video was a disaster. Remember, this isn't my first video, so you're going to see everything that I made because I got it all on camera. You'll see every mistake that I made. Sorry. So you will then understand why I put a wipes there. Yep. So I'm transferring stuff from in the cup into the syringe. And when I'm looking to the back of the syringe, I don't know, it just decided to hide. So I'm just here looking and looking and looking and looking and looking and looking and looking until I finally saw it. It was hiding from me, but I found you. Okay, so watch carefully as to what I did. And I know that I said I was going to buy some pipettes, but honestly, I did not have the money for that at that time. And I just said, you know what, forget about that. I'm going to wing it. And that's exactly what I did. Note how I am squeezing the bottle. I'm squeezing the bottle so that it could reach the bottom. And remember, I said you would understand every single thing I am doing here based on the other video that I am going to release. I have no idea when, but I'm definitely going to release it. So once you squeeze the tube, it's going to reach to the bottom. Do not let go your hands and think that it would automatically go down, because trust me, it'll be a disaster. So I'm just filling the tubes up. I think I made one whole red and the rest mixed with green and red. On to the green gloss now. Yes, I'm going to take the wipes just like I did with the red gloss, and I'm going to put the wipes at the bottom of the syringe. And as you can see, I legit placed the back of the syringe closer. You know, you have to learn from your mistakes. So I placed it closer so that I wouldn't have to be looking and searching for the back when I'm ready to transfer the gloss from the syringe to the tube. Now the syringe is full and I could access the back easily this time because it was nearby. You would also understand, I don't know why I keep saying this, probably, I really don't know why I keep saying it, but you would understand why I turned the syringe in that way. And I think these syringes had a problem with me because I tried squeezing them out into the tube and it was extremely hard, like no gloss was entering the tube. I don't know what the syringe had with me that day, but it's hard. So then I had to take out the tube, put the wipes there because accidents do happen, and try squeezing. And now, voila, green and red gloss. Isn't it beautiful? This is what I would be doing for the rest of the tubes. I am back. I don't believe in wasting anything. This little bit that is in the syringe cannot make a gloss. But if you combine all the leftovers in the cup, trust me, you could get a gloss. You could get an extra gloss. So I took the initiative to fully empty the remaining of the gloss into the syringe so that I could form another. Why did I say another? So I could form another gloss. So this is what I will be doing. So I'm going to just be quiet for a while you guys watch and see the entire process. this is the point in which I pause the video to change my gloves, because I wouldn't be dealing with the lip gloss base and all of that anymore. I would be dealing with the stoppers and the covers now. I am watching this video and I'm like, what is wrong with you? It isn't that hard to put on gloves. Why are you making it so difficult? But I guess these equipment just didn't agree with me. They just didn't agree with me. On to the stoppers. This is the stopper that came with the tube, so I'm just adding them on, and I'm going to just shut up now while I add the stoppers and the covers. In this video, I did not show how I washed the gloss and placed the labels onto them, but remember, if you subscribe to my channel, I'm going to show everything. So hopefully that would be in another video. Feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for stopping by at my channel.